What song do you want to sing?
Twinkle Little Star.
Okay, I'm ready.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up, 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 up so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Do you know any other songs? What do you want to sing now?
I love you.
Sing I Love You. I love it.
I love you. You love me. We love friends. Must just be a great big heart.
Thank you for
And I
that.
can sing to you. Want to say you love me too.
That's great. I want to hear one more song. Can you think of another one?
How about Caillou?
Oh, how about the spider song? Can you sing Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Yes. Itsy bitty spider let the water spout. Down came the rain and was the spider out. Out came the sun and sweat of the rain. And the itsy bitty spider the water spout again.
Yay!